morning guys. Today we're going to be doing something special. I was invited out to go help out a friend put his rebuilt motor back into his S14. What's special about this S14 is it's actually my old S14 that I used to own. I owned it for like a year until I sold it to him. He was looking for a car, he wanted something rear-wheel drive, and I gave him a cheap price, I gave him a mate's rate price. Unfortunately, a year later, the motor blew. He was doing some legal activities. And yeah, unfortunately the oil pump went. Luckily he was able to scavenge the old motor and rebuild it. We're gonna go see our mate Ferg's shop. That's where the S14 is right now. And we'll be transplanting the rebuild motor back into the S14. We are gonna be taking the work van, as you see. They wanna use the engine crane, so the Evo is gonna sit down for now. It's already driven a fair bit after yesterday's antics. I'm gonna put the engine crane in the van and then we'll head over to Ferg's shop. Let's go. Engine crane's in. We're ready, set to go. Gotta quickly grab the rest of my camera gear. And we'll just meet up with the boys. And try and get this SR20 in. Alright. Alright, we're at Ferg's shop now. Let me go show you the old S14 here. So this is Langa. He's the one that ruined my old S14.
I'm improving. Not ruined yet. I reckon we should just smoke up before we get into it.
What? Nah, already.
I'm hungry.
What's the plan, Langa?
Put the engine in. If the engine goes in, I'll be happy.
Yep.
If we do any more, I'll be even happier. So there's less shit I have to do at home.
Yeah, right.
Also, so, Sarah, have you been looking for your engine stand? I found it.
Oh, did he take it?
Langus has had it the whole time.
Oh, you had it! Oh, yeah, that's right.
I thought you knew I had it.
Nah, I completely forgot. No, that's right. Yeah, I gave you the crane and the stand.
Yeah, and I brought back the crane.
Yeah. Yes, but this is Fergo.
Hey.
So this is Fergo's shop. So he was in our shop for the last couple of months. You probably recognize this S14 here. The man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Jaden Lett. Big NPC guy. Alright, Letty. So, you want to talk about Let's Siri?
No.
Alright.
Come on, scoop for me. There you go. Boom, boom, boom.
$90. So you found my twist and tape job?
Yeah, come undone straight away. Pull the engine out. Oh, what's this? Boom, comes undone. Don't worry about it.
Hey man, that has stuck on until you pulled it out.
It come off easily.
Now we're just waiting on Langa to get the motor sorted so we can all chuck it in.
Hey guys.
Alright, let's talk about Letsuri.
Alright, drift event. 26 August. Fuck, I'm doing a U.
Cut!
Again.
Alright, so Letty's all camera shy now. But anyways, as he was saying, Letsuri on the 26th of August.
Rally Raceway. 1 day this year, 2 days next year.
Alright, cool beans. So we'll definitely do a video on that. We may have a drift car. If not, I don't know. We won't. What are the chances of getting the Evo there?
Which one?
There's no other Evo.
Which event?
For Letsuri! Tech.
Oh, motor's going in.
Is actually? Oh, bro.
Am I getting film checking this up?
No. Give us a thumbs up. We did it, Langa.
Oh shit.
How does it feel to have a unbroken motor in the 14?
Good. I don't know if it works. I don't know yet.
So as you just saw, we just got the SR20 back into the S14. We've got Aiden cracking the coke. Nothing but good things. Unfortunately, we can't start it because Langa forgot to bring the starter. But one step closer to get this thing on the road.
Yeah, we've got one SR in.
Good job, Fergo. Leading the pack.
Leading the pack with destruction.
Can I get a that's insane?
That is insane.
Oh,
You gotta get it from the van.
Alright, the man himself. Oh shit. Oh my bad.
That's insane.
Oh my god. Sheesh. Genuine Nismo, mate. This man's got money.
Had money.
Someone's gonna copy this video on this car, use that cutout, steal it.
So,
This is what happens when your car goes to Manheim.
Oh my god, babe, the lightning. Where that thing gets on the back wheel.
dinner is served, sir.
Should have got him on the back.
As you can see, the motor's back in. Right now Langa is working on the rest of the intercooler piping. Brand new Phoenix front mount. Looking bloody clean. So anyways, I'm going to call it a night here. Langa's not that far off from calling it a night. I believe he wants to install the drive shaft next, and then he's going to get it towed back to his place. Hope you guys enjoyed it, because it was a pretty easy process. 5 blokes, 1 S14. Like, what could go wrong? I'm going to call it a night here because I am tired as hell. We're going to take some photos of the Falcon and the S15, but that should be it for the night.
Boys, everyone get playing on
Yep. Hey!
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Oh, you need to hit that front bar. Not the front wheels and that front.
Oh, then you're not sweet then.
So the wheels need to hit the thing.
Handbrake off, buddy. Handbrake off.
Yep.
Yeah, handbrake off.
Let's go!
I made it look harder than what it was. Make sure you like, subscribe, it's a big red car. Big. Big red button below.